Most budget saucepans look great on the shelf, but they fall apart under real-world friction. We decided to accelerate that wear and tear to find the breaking point. At Wade Media Labs, we subjected 10 top-selling budget saucepans to a continuous 5-hour mechanical scrape test using standardized metal utensils and consistent pressure. After the first hour, the performance gap was already visible. Low-quality non-stick coatings began to flake, and thin-gauge aluminum bases started to show deep pitting and structural wear. By hour 5, 7 of the 10 pans had suffered catastrophic surface failure. Using these pans would not only ruin your food's release properties but could also lead to coating particles entering your meals. We analyzed why the others failed. The primary culprits were multi-layer marketing claims that lacked the high-density bonding required for true durability. Only 3 saucepans emerged from the 5-hour marathon with their surfaces intact and their performance verified. These 3 represent the best value to durability ratio in the budget category. A low price shouldn't mean a short lifespan. Our testing proves you can find professional grade durability without the professional grade price tag. Check the full technical audit, the macro photos of the damage, and the 3 survivors at cookwarescout.com.